Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I will be reviewing mobile Afro hair and beauty. So mobile Afro hair and beauty is a UK based website, whereas if you want to get beautiful braids like I've gotten done, this braid is 1 month old. I got this braid done on the 20th of August 2022. I really love Afro mobile hairdressers or mobile Afro hair and beauty. So basically when you go on Google and you type in mobile Afro hair and beauty, it will come up. You click on the website, there are different sections. So when you go on the Afro mobile, when you go there are so many different types of hairstylists who are very good with braiding. So what I got was the knotless. It will not give you headaches. Once you finish having knotless braids done, you will feel like you've not braided your hair. It's not going to put pressure on your edges. You're not going to lose your edges. This is the third time I'm using this website. I've already reviewed my box braid tutorial. I don't think I went in depth to do a review of where I got it done. So the good thing about mobile Afro hair and beauty is the fact that they come to your house. They literally come to your house and braid for you at your home. So when you go on their website, you go to book an appointment, you choose the type of hair you want or the style of hair you want to get done. They don't only do braids, they do weaves, they do makeup, they do so many other things. Once you choose, there are lists of hairstylists. I went on there and I watched almost everyone and I chose the one that I love. So after that, I went through each of their reviews, and the ones that I picked, I've used 2 people on there. They both had 5 stars, and you see their work after they've done braids. They do before and after pictures. You can see that their job is amazing, and they have good reviews from their customers that they braided their hair for. So I really love the person that did my hair. Depending on where you live, you might pick someone different. So if you go on there, you read the reviews, you can have a look at it. So I just thought I should come on camera and just do a review about Afro mobile hairdressers, because I really love the way they made my braids. As you can see, this braids, it's a mixture of pink and red and black mixed together into box braid, and the size I chose was the medium size box braids. And as I initially stated, this braid is almost been a month. So now I will insert a video, a 1-minute video of how it was being done, how she was prepping my hair extensions and how she went along and braided it, and after she braided it, how it looked when it was fresh. And this was when I didn't have makeup on, so you will see the freshness of my scalp and everything. And now that it's 1 month old, like, look at how pretty this braid is looking. I usually have braids in for 4 weeks, but guys, this is like the 4th week and this braid is looking so fresh. It looks like I can go an extra 2 to 3 weeks. So Afro mobile hairdressers and beauty UK, I really, this is not a paid review. I am just doing this review from the bottom of my heart. I love to support businesses that are good. If I use your brand and I see that what you offer is good, I will review it, because you know what, I know there's a lot of people like me that flipping want to get good braids done on their head, but they don't want to go out there. They want you to come to them. There is a service for that, and as I said, it's called mobile Afro hairdressers and beauty UK. I will leave the link in my description box. There's no paid review. I hope they see this video, and probably my next braids I get it for free. But yeah, hope you viewers did enjoy. And as I initially stated, the video you're seeing on my left or my right is showing you how I got the braids done, and you can see how she's just putting the hair on my natural hair and braiding, and you can see how beautiful the hair looks at the end of the video. Viewers, I hope you viewers did enjoy this mini review slash tutorial 2-in-1 video, even though the tutorial is just a short 1-minute tutorial video. Hope you viewers did enjoy it, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed, subscribe and share my video, and do not forget to comment if you like it. Thank you. Bye.